Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and I'm going to be making a ribbon poinsettia. I thought this would be a great idea for the holidays, so let's get started. So if you recognize this ribbon, this burlap ribbon, it is from the Dollar Tree, and I think many of you may already have this in your stash, but this can actually work with any type of ribbon, whether it's a wired ribbon or it's just a plain ribbon without the wire. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this into 7-inch strips, and then we'll start to put it together. You're going to need 5 strips of ribbon. You're also going to need, and this is optional, some of these berries, and these are the wired berries. I found these at Hobby Lobby. But you can use a gem if you want. This is actually going to be for our center. You're also going to need the floral wire. So I already cut that so that I'm all ready to go. And I will make sure I list everything below. So now what you want to do is you want to cut some pointed edges on your ribbon. So all I'm going to do is just line this up, fold that in half to get that pointed edge. And then I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm not going to measure it exactly. And so you see you have that pointed edge there. And you're just going to do it on the other side. If you want to put a bunch together and do it, you can. Let's see. So you need that. So you need 5 of this. Okay, so this is what you should have. And I'll show you another one where I cut the strips actually shorter, and so it made a smaller flower. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to kind of fold. This is the wrong side. You want it to be face up. You want to fold this in just like that, and then you want to fold it out like this so it has like an indentation right in the middle. That's what's going to form your petals or your flower. Okay, you're going to do this again, and it may feel awkward at first, but once you start doing it over and over, it feels better. It gets a little bit more comfortable doing it. So just like this, folding it, and then fold it back like that, fold it back. So whatever works for you. If you want to use a paper clip and clip them together, I'm just going to pinch them together and just go through each one, just like that. Do the same thing over on this one. So that's the wrong side. You want that indentation in the middle. Fold it over. See, I can put this right against my hand here and then fold that other one back the other way. And that's what I have here. Just want to make sure that you're pinching that middle part there. And that's what we got with 3 on there. Doing it again. And you can sit and make a bunch of these. These would look really nice on a Christmas tree as well. Let's make sure that stays lined up there. You see how that's starting to form, and it's kind of fluffing out itself. And don't worry if that's kind of going back a little bit. We're going to be able to fluff it up in a moment. Look how cute that is. It's going to look really nice on a Christmas tree. Or you can use it as a bow for your wreath. Okay, once again, making my little indentation there. Folding it back. And folding it back like this again. And then pinching it in the middle there. So this is what you should have. Like that. So now we're going to take our wire, and all I'm doing, I just double this wire just to make it more secure or stronger, and I'm just folding it over just like this, and I'm just going to give it a twist. So your wire is going to be in the back, of course. This is what the back looks like, and I'm going to twist it again. Give it 3 twists. Yep. Okay, so this is what we have now. So this is where our wire is on both sides, right through there. And look how pretty that looks. So all I'm doing now is pulling it apart, just kind of pinching our flower up like that. Pinching it up, and this wired ribbon is really fun to work with. And that's what we've got. Okay, now to add our berries. This is so cute. I'm just going to take 3 of these. And right where our wire is, right there. Don't worry if you're messing it up. You could go back and fold it. That's the one thing about wired ribbon. It's really forgiving. And if you put in poinsettia flower with ribbon, you should be able to come up with a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. Okay, I'm just twisting this just to make it look cute. Let's just twist it again. And look at that. Now I'm going to start doing my fluffing. I'm going to actually bend one up, bend another one back, bend it up, especially if you want that dimension on it. Don't be afraid to kind of pull on it. And bend it up. Now I have my wire here, and I could take that wire and attach it to some kind of gift, attach it to my tree, and you can make a bunch of these and put them on your tree. Look how cute that is. Okay, now I want to show you another one. I have this huge spool of holiday velvet ribbon. This came from the Goodwill. So I'm going to cut 5 strips down so you can see what the texture looks like, the difference in making it from a burlap and using the velvet to make one. Okay, so I've got 5 cut out. And so these edges, the pointier these are, the better, and the more they look like a poinsettia when you're putting them together. But I've seen some that are more rounded edges, not as sharp. So I think that would make the flower effect. So that's good too, if that's what you're going for. Okay, so I'm going to take this now, and I want you to see this, how this turns out. I'm just kind of dipping it in the middle. That's the bottom part, top part. And then we're just folding it back like that. Folding it back, and then I'm straightening it out. So it's the same technique. It's just that I'm using non-wire and it's velvet, but I did want you to see this. So I have a ton of velvet ribbon, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. Now I found the thing that I'm going to do with it. Okay, I'm just going to put this up against here and fold this back. So you just have to find a technique that works for you. Use a paper clip or clothespin. See how that's coming together? Finding my center there. Pulling it back. Pulling that other edge back. And sometimes these ribbons are like 2 inches wide. I think this is only like 1 inch. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is like 1 1/4 inch. So some of these are 2 inches wide. So the wider, probably the easier it is to fold it. But I'm having fun making these. So that velvet really looks good for the holidays. Imagine you can do, if you make your own garlands, you can use these to decorate your garlands as well. In and out, in and out. So I'm doing this all kinds of ways here. Okay, so now I'm folding them together like this. Make sure I have that one out too. Okay, so now I'm going to, now that I'm okay with this, I'm going to take this now and use my wire. Just put that there. Put it there and twist. So I hope this is helping you get some ideas. I know I am, because I have a ton of this ribbon. Okay. And now I'm just going to start pulling this. And to me, this one is a bit too long, so all I'm going to do is cut that down a little bit. So don't be afraid to make adjustments on these. And look how cute that is. Look at that. That's what the back looks like. Make sure my wire isn't coming off there. I can tighten that up. Oh, I'm loving the way this looks. So all I'm doing is just taking just popping out that other part there right toward the end. And I'm just going to cut this down just a little bit more. Oh, I'm loving that. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our little berries here. And I only have red. I think gold would look really nice on this. Yeah, I think some gold berries would really look nice. So that's where, let's go ahead and add these in. Give that a twist. Okay, I think I got that in there. Just wrapping some of these to make it tighter. So all the berries are showing. Yeah, I think some gold would look nice. Or you can drop a nice little gold gem in there. I think that would look really nice too. Okay, so there you have it. Your poinsettia flowers. There's another one here. Here's the burlap one that we did, and here's another one I did with the black. Here's another one here. So look how cute those look for the holidays. Here's the one I did, and I didn't make my points that sharp, so it looks like a little flower, but you can take this now and take one of your other poinsettias, a larger one, and you can now layer and make a nice little holiday flower. Wouldn't that look really cute on a wreath? Inspiration, another idea. Look at that. Let's see what this one looks like. You can do the red. Let's see. Put the red one. This is just about the same size, but if you kind of turn it just slightly, now you've got this whole layered look there. See if you can see that. Yep, that works. Same thing with this one, almost the same size. Ooh, that looks really pretty with the black polka dots on it. Looks so fun. Look at that. You could put this on a gift basket too. So cute for the holidays. I hope this inspired you. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that you know when I do live events or I do some video uploads. So see you real soon. Bye.